Hey guys, I'm back and I wanted to show you today one of the items that I got for Christmas from two of my kids. It's something I've had my eyeball on for a while from a guy on Etsy that makes this stuff. He's a blacksmith and I think this is going to help me a lot in my campfire cooking. It is made of wrought iron. It consists of a pole that sticks in the ground, and then it has these little things that you add on. This is to hang a pot from, to boil water. And, or, also this right here slides on here, where you can cook, like do a skillet or anything right over the fire. And with this thing sticking in the ground, you slide these on, you can adjust the height that you want either your pot to hang from or your little thing to cook on. Whoops. Alright, so I have not used it yet. I've been super excited. We had some rain around Christmas and I hadn't been able to get out here to try it. So we're fixing to try that right now. I'm really excited. Alright, we're going to get a little fire started and set this thing up and see how well it works. I'm not going to make a very large fire for this. Alright, while that is building up, let's see what we can do about getting this stuck in here. Not exactly sure where it needs to go. Well, that seems like a decent spot. Alright, let's see if we can put it right there. Gonna lose my fire in the process, I guess. There, that's steady. But my fire's not. Okay, let's, I'm gonna put this on and use it to heat up. Oh no, I left my burger inside. Alright. I have a burger that's actually pre-cooked. I'm just gonna warm it up. Alright. Yay. Next time I may need to drive this in at a slight angle away, just so that the pan doesn't have a tendency to slide off. I wonder if I can turn this over. If that would be any different. No, in fact that's kind of crooked like that. I think it's supposed to go this way, with the curlicue down. I was about to say that could have been a little bit longer, but I think the longer that is and the more weight that's out farther from it, the more likely it would be to pull the pole over, or the main stake over. This will work. And if I have to, I can move my fire closer like that. That's awesome. I'm also going to see if I can boil water using that thing and my handy dandy water thing holder. I don't know what you call it. I think I've shown you this before. This is just my little Stanley. It's a Stanley pot that I did not want a bunch of, I didn't want soot all over it, even though the top does get some soot on it. I just didn't want it all over the bottom, which I have done before and cleaned it off. It's a pain in the butt though. So I just took a soup can, and created this little cover to keep the Stanley pot clean, or cleaner. Hey, that's gonna work. I like that that is longer because I can still cook and have that nearby. Oh, my fire. I keep talking and ignoring my fire. Well, this is what I like about this is I can turn this over here. Or pick it up to keep the ashes out of it. But I can turn this out of the way. This is fun, and I know the more I use it, the better I'll get an idea of how to use it. It does seem to be slanting down a little bit, though. Tell you what, I'm going to lower it a hair. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to put the rod in the ground at a little bit of an angle, leaning back to keep this more at a level state. You aren't cold, are you? It's not cold out here. No, it's not. You're just trying to get closer to my burger? Is that what you're doing? I hear it sizzling. It's warming up. You're trying to get in good favor with me, so maybe I'll give you a bite. Girl, you need to be careful. I'm afraid you're going to fall in. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Got it. Sit. Either sit down or get down. Yeah, that's what I thought. Be still. Be still. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl that needs to get down? Yeah. I like this set because, I mean, it is iron, so it is going to have some weight to it, but it is something I can bundle up and carry with me out. Not backpacking necessarily, not unless it's a really short trip. Yeah, I didn't realize you could not see. There, that's a little better. Let's see. Glad I brought my little backpack out here. Oh yeah, look at that. I need to figure out how I'm going to handle raising and lowering this. I guess I'll do it like that. And then I have my little plate, piece of cheese. Alright, I'm just going to assume my burger is done. All it needed was heating up anyway. Ooh, look at all that mayo. I love mayo. That's actually a bit of an abundance. I just got dirt all in here. Ah. I'm going to make a mess. His is getting a little flopped over. I think I'll go ahead and take that up. That's awesome. All right, so now, let me see. I'll move that out of the way. And we'll bring this over. See, that's the only thing, but that's so much longer than this. I guess technically, I can bring this back and set it on it. Yeah, that'll work. This probably is a little bit long of a bell handle for this setup because I'm at the top of my rod here with this hanger. So I will likely take this off and shorten it a little bit. I can set it on this, but the point really is having this here so I can cook while having my water hanging nearby, go ahead and kind of warming up some. Well, I guess technically if I have a larger fire and more spread out, I could heat water over on the other side while I'm cooking over here. And I guess if I needed to, if I wanted to hang it, yeah, that got a little warm there. I can, Dottie, back it up. Dottie, please. Quit being like that. I could move the fire a little bit, I guess, but you know what? That's hanging awful low. Yep, I'm gonna have to shorten this bell handle. That's okay, I can do that. Actually, it was longer than this, and I shortened it some. But this also works. Okay, let's get around to eating the burger. I'll bring you back when the water gets to boiling. I'm not making anything with water. I just want to see if it would work to boil. And I'll eat my burger and I'll get back with you. Last bite. Num num. Deer burger. We use ground deer. It's so good. That was tasty. There we go. Why don't y'all keep an eye on this fire? I'm going in to get some dessert. Alright, so far I really like this cool little gadget. I just need to shorten my bell handle again. Then, Dottie, go on. I hope the camera can't hear you wheezing. Come on, go over here. Dottie sits over there and she wheezes and whines because she wants my food. Acts like she's never eaten, like I never feed her. I'm gonna see if I can. Whoops. I'm probably just gonna have to move that fire over, which I can't do normally if I have a larger fire than I can right now. Okay. We'll go with that. See if we can get this water boiling. And I'm going to Eat a little bit of leftover cake from Christmas. Num num. Alright, I'll bring you back when it's boiling. Alright, let's check it again. Oh heck yeah, it's plenty hot enough for coffee or washing dishes. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and take this off the fire, since I really wasn't boiling it for any reason anyway. Good. That's not hot. I'll just set that there. And I am going to take this back out and try to lean this rod back a little bit and just see if I can get it to, you know what, actually I think I have it in at a slant. It's hard to tell. At least it's easy to redo. Oh yeah, now that right there I think would be perfect. That's great. Okay. And then that. I have to be careful about my handle. I don't want it to get hot so I can grab it, but I can technically squeeze that and put it up like that if I want to. I could do it up like that. Just kind of keep it out of direct heat. So if I make my fire a little bit longer, I could actually have the water heating over here and then me cooking right there. Yay! This is awesome. Thank my 2 kids that love me so much that they got this for me. I thank them for it. It's an awesome gift and one that I know I'm going to enjoy for a long time. The guy that made this lives in Florida. He's got an Etsy shop and he has some other accessories that will go on this. I can't remember right offhand what it is, but I'll put a link down in the description, or at least give the name of the shop that you could go look at that. There's several different little contraptions. He's got all kinds of setups. This one, and he's got one that goes across and where you can hang from it. Little rotisseries and stuff. Anyway, it's really cool. Cool stuff that he has. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed showing this to you. I'm real proud of it. Real happy to have it. And I look forward to using this a lot out here in the fire pit. Alright. If you enjoyed this, give me a like. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I ask that you do so. I'll see you next time.